guess what? It's Tuesday. You're here with Betsy. Woo! Woo, woo, woo! Okay, guys. So, Christmas is coming. Look at my Christmas tree hat. It is so cute, isn't it? Has a little star on it. It's really adorable. But anyway, so I am so excited to be here with you guys today, and we are going to do something fun and Christmassy, okay? So, for today's video, we are making a gingerbread house, even though this actually is not gingerbread, it's chocolate. Chocolate house! But it's going to be like a gingerbread house. So I'm so excited. We're going to see if we can do this really well, and I'll show you guys just, I don't know, a cute way to make a gingerbread house, I guess. I don't know. We'll try something. Okay, so I'm back and I have the rest of my stuff. I have holiday nerds. I have snowball cotton candy. I have little peppermint sticks. I have little candy cane lifesavers. I have peppermint Milano sliced cookies. I have some holiday Skittles. And I have little holiday Hershey thingies. Okay, so I have a ton of stuff here, so I'm totally ready for this. Okay, so step one is to get the house together. And I need the little tips to be able to do this. Okay, so I have part of the house kind of done right now. So I'm going to work with you guys on the rest of it. This was super confusing to try to figure out. First, I had issues with the icing. I finally found out those issues and got that figured out. But, I don't know, I'm still having some issues here. So, I'm going to try to turn this around a little bit. And then, I'm going to try to put the icing on this other side so that this will stick to it. Actually, let me just put it here. I'll put some icing right here. Oh shoot, part of that just fell. I'm having a horrible time. This is not fun. Okay, so put this like this. Okay, and then put this like this again. Okay, and then okay. So now this has the icing on it, so we're going to try to place it right here. Bam! Look at that. I just put that together all by myself. Okay. So now is the hard part, putting the roof on. So Okay, guys, so I've had a hard time here with this. One, my battery died, so I don't know what footage you're about to get, but you're about to get some footage at least. Okay, so I have the house half built, well, more than half built. I've had a hard time with this. It keeps falling apart. At one point, I had to call D, freaking out because this house kept falling apart. But I think I have it down now. I think I'm pretty good now. Like, I just got to get the rest of it together. It's a little uneven, but that's okay. Um, I guess as long as it ends up doing okay, then I guess I don't really care. Um, it's just kind of uneven, but it'll be fine. There's a hole in my icing where it should not be. I don't know if you can see the big blob there. But you know what? It's okay. We're going to work with it. We're going to work with it, and it's going to be all right. So now I'm trying to put the other half of the roof on. So I'm icing it right now. Okay. So let's hope this works. Oh no, it's falling. Oh no, it's falling. Okay. Is it good? It's on! Hallelujah, it's on! Oh no, it's falling again. Well, hold on, let me just hold it for a little bit. Nope, it's still falling. Ew, why do you keep falling? I need you to be up here. Okay, hold on. Let me try this again. There. Okay, it's staying now. Okay, it's good. We got it. Okay, so it's a little lopsided, but it's fine. I have it. Okay. Oh gosh. Okay. Now comes the actual fun part. Now we get to do the fun stuff. Oh, thank goodness. Okay. So how do I want to do this? Oh gosh, this is hard. Okay. Let me figure out how I want to do this. Okay, I keep saying okay a lot. Like, you don't understand how stressful this has been for me. This has been super stressful for me. So, I'm thinking maybe put some of these on the roof, on the uneven roof. This is so sad. Okay, so I'm going to start lining this, and then I'll get back to you guys, okay? So I'm back. I'm all sugared up. You can kind of see my face right here. But I have the house done. Okay, guys. Here's it from this angle. It's kind of hard to see, but there's not a lot going on right here. It's just kind of like I have the outline of the house done, and then kind of there, shed more light on the situation. So I have the outline of the house, the little like door, and then you can see like there's snow on the roof, and then I'll do a better view of the roof. There's snow on the roof, and there's like icicles hanging down, and you see these little bush things right here. There's little bushes right there on the side, and there's a little wreath. And then this side is the side that I'm most proud of. Okay, I have lights up here. There's a wreath right there that has some holly hanging off of it, and you can see a little door and the doorknob, and there's like some little um, peppermints lining it, and then it has a little doormat right there. Um, and then this side is the same as the other side. You can see that, oh, one of the icicles just fell. But you can see the bushes a little bit better right here. You can see the bushes really well. Those are bushes. And then there's icicles hanging down on this side too. So that is my gingerbread house, guys. I finished it. Isn't it adorable? I was so happy that I was able to do this video with you guys today. Um, please like, please subscribe, give some love to Dee because she needs some right now. She's having a really hard time here. Let me tilt this camera back up so you can actually like see me. Okay, anyway, give Dee some love right now because she really needs it. She's going up through a hard time right now. So I love you, Dee. Hugs! But yeah, she's going through a hard time. But stay tuned for her video. She's going to be coming up later this week. I hope you guys like this video. I know you didn't get to see a lot of the construction of the house just because like there were so many things going on. It was just really hard to like do it. But I hope you still liked it, and I took you on a tour of the house. So you got to see me fail a couple times. So it was a lot of fun. So I hope you guys liked it. Please subscribe. Please like. Please click the little belly thingy. And stay tuned because we're going to be doing more holiday videos. Love you, buds. Bye.